Central Illinois is the CI in CI Living.
Well, there is just something about petting a big furry dog that can bring comfort and joy. And joining us in today's Furever family, we have Emily Jo Little and Morgan Bednarz, who are handlers with the Alliance of Therapy Dogs, as well as their therapy dogs, Lando and Cleo. And we are so happy to have both of you here, as well as our little furry friends. So let's talk about therapy dogs in general, because they actually do provide such a great service for people who may need a little extra love and care during maybe a traumatic or sad time. So tell me about their jobs.
Yeah, go ahead. So therapy dogs, I think, are important. You know, Cleo has gone multiple places in Lando as well. Hospitals, we've gone to schools, we've visited workplaces. You know, there's a variety of situations where they can be. And, you know, their job is just to really bring comfort to people and, you know, help them through hard times.
And it's like they can sense who needs their attention and love probably the most. We're looking here at pictures, nursing home residents, I'm sure they just light up when they see an animal coming through the door. So tell me a little bit about Lando here.
So Lando is a 7-year-old Italian Mastiff. He's been a therapy dog for 5 years now. No, 4 years now. So he just loves to go and help people feel better. He also loves to go to libraries and have kids read books to him. That's one of his favorite things to do. But like you were saying, yeah, he's laser focused. If somebody is upset or stressed out, he will pull me off my feet to get to that person because he knows they need him. And that's the only time he pulls. The rest of the time, he's very gentle and doesn't really pull. So.
Well, yeah, and I mean, they're just big furry sweethearts here. Now, what was the process like? Because these are, I mean, your own animals, your own pets. So what was that process like getting them, I guess, certified to be working animals, therapy dogs?
The process is kind of different for everybody. You kind of take your own path with it. For Cleo specifically, we started her in obedience classes right around 8 weeks when she was, or 16 weeks when she was able to. And she just kind of had this natural like calmness to her. So we knew that she'd be a pretty good therapy dog. But really, you know, going to basic obedience classes is always a great help, and getting certified through a CGC program with the AKC, it just tests their obedience level. And then kind of from there, you know, you find a trainer that works with a therapy program that you're interested in doing, and then you work with the trainer to essentially get certified through the program.
So there's a lot of steps in becoming qualified. So not just anyone who has a dog that maybe wants to serve can become a therapy dog.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, tell me what a therapy, like a typical visit might look like.
Sure. Well, when we go to a visit, it depends on the setting that we're in. If we're at a nursing home, we might go into like their activities room where there might be a group of residents that are gathered, and then the dogs can kind of just go from wheelchair to wheelchair or chair to chair and visit with the person. Or we might go room to room if they are not out in a common area. At schools or places like that, then normally there is a group of kids maybe in a classroom, and typically we will have, depending on the size of the dog, 3 to 4 kids sit on the floor around the dog and interact with them and pet them, and then they have all kinds of really cool questions at that time that we love to be able to answer. They're always so curious.
I'm sure they do. You know, mental health has been such a hot topic just lately. So how can therapy dogs help with mental health aspects?
Sure.
Yeah, I think everybody, you know, I think a lot of people would say that their own dog, whether they're a therapy dog or not, is really good at helping their mental health. I think therapy dogs specifically, like we said, you know, are kind of magnets to people who need them and are able to provide comfort. You know, just the act of being able to pet a dog, when they kind of put pressure against you, things like that are really good at calming you and soothing you when you're having, you know, issues or, you know, feeling like you're having bad mental health at the moment.
What, I've seen pictures on Facebook of dogs after like a session where they've gone to a visit, and it really looks like they have felt you know, the weight of the world of that person. So how do they respond, I guess, after a visit?
We get home and Lando is out for the count for hours afterwards. He is just completely exhausted. And like even his favorite toy, he does not care. So he's like, nope, I'm sleeping.
He just needs to maybe decompress a little bit
Yes.
from everything that he just experienced.
Yep.
If there is someone out there who maybe has a loved one who would benefit from a visit, or maybe there's some loss or something that's traumatic that has happened, do you all, like, how do people get in touch with you or know that you're available to come and maybe be of assistance?
Yeah, so I personally have an email for Cleo that I use for inquiries and stuff like that. If anybody, you know, has a situation or just maybe wants a regular visit set up for a loved one. I know Emily has a Facebook page for Lando that she uses. So we can definitely, you know, provide that information for anybody who might be interested in contacting us, or if they know anybody who could benefit from therapy.
Well, wonderful. Well, it's such a great service and great work that they're doing. Cleo is just admiring, I know, looking out the window, whereas Lando here is just chill. So
Yeah, this is Lando all the time.
Yeah, just enjoying life, living it up. Well, thank you so much, both of you, for coming. If you want to learn a little bit more about Alliance of Therapy Dogs, and maybe you want to connect with Cleo and Lando here, we will connect you over at CILiving.tv.